Hello, I'm Teddy, and today we have toddler mum. If you don't know what toddler mum is, pretty much like baby food. We will be trying toddler mum. And plus, when I was a baby, I also ate baby mum, but this is a new one called toddler mum. Here's our toddler mum, sweet potato and pomegranate. Oh, sweet potato and pomegranate. Over here it says patate douce grenade. Watch. It's go and go. That's cool. Come on, ooh, little coolies. Okay, so we got the whole pack of baby mums. Doo 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 doo. And let's place this. And you open it up and you place the cookies. You place little biscuits right there. That is sweet potato and pomegranate. So we have mango and kiwi. Here's the bag. Beautiful. In French. Oh boy. In French. Mango et kiwi. And also, fun fact, did you know that kiwi, in the olden days, they called kiwi melonettes. Yes, melonettes. Let's have it. Let's open it up. You just open it up. La 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 la. And of course, there's the aluminum bag. Let's go! So then you just take out one. You open it up. You take the two out. I kind of like to eat it like this when I open it up. Then this is the package. I kind of open it up. I kind of do this. I push it out a little, and I just eat it. The box. And then a cool feature, you take these two apart. You place this like that, and this like that. One sec. Like that. Then you place this like this. Then right here, there's this little slot. Like, you see, it's kind of like you push it, and then there's this little thingy that it kind of makes a little hole. You place this part into that hole, like this. You place it like that into that hole, and then life's great. Now we go on to the next one, which is, of course, strawberry. Also in the bag, it's called Perez. And then you open it up like normal. You open these guys up. Take the aluminum bag out of the box. As you can see right here, there's this little slot. There's this little thing. Just tear it like that. And then we just take out one of them. Do it. And place them just like that. I'm gonna eat this baby mama. This is strawberry, and you know that it's strawberry. Now we have mango and kiwi. Really like plain, really. You could taste a little bit of the mango, but the kiwi not really. It's kind of like a little biscuit with a little mango touch, really. Then we have the sweet potato and pomegranate. This more like you can taste the pomegranate, but you can also kind of taste the sweet potato. It's really cool. eat it all at once, you can really taste the mango and the pomegranate. The strawberry you can't really taste that much, but the mango and sweet potato you could, no, the mango and the pomegranate you could taste really well. We will play a little game. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, and shut my eyes. Just been a few times, I can't see anything. I actually got a better idea, so I'm just gonna eat one of them, and I'm gonna try and guess which one I'm eating. Let's do this one. You can see which one it is. I cannot see. I can completely see, not see. Okay. I think it's mango and kiwi. No, it isn't. Really?